What is 124th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2019? Narendra Modi-led NDA government has proposed the 124th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2019 to provide reservation to the economically weaker section of the society. What does this bill provide for the poor? Amendment carves up an additional quota for poor not under SC, ST, OBC categories. 10% seats reserved for poor in higher education institutions, including private aided or unaided institutions. 10% of state jobs reserved for poor in the initial appointments. This reservation for economically weaker sections will be in addition to the existing reservation. To ensure it stands the legal framework, there was a need for amendments in Articles 15 and 16.
New Clause 6 inserted in Article 15. What is Article 15? It is known as prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, which mandates all such discriminations as illegal. New Clause 6 inserted in Article 16. What is Article 16? It assures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment for every citizen of India. Government to notify who is poor. The term economically weaker sections will be defined by the state from time to time by family income and other indicators of economic disadvantage. Government's reasoning for bringing in the legislation. The government feels that poor citizens outside the SC, ST and OBC categories are unable to compete with those who are better off. Reservation benefits are in line with the directive principles of state policy, which calls for extending help to the weaker sections of the society.
No need for ratification by states as an extension of reservation to poor not listed in Article 368(2). While a simple majority adopts motion for the introduction of constitution amendment bills, a majority of the total membership of the House and a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting is required for adoption of effective clauses and motions for consideration and passing of these bills.